Idea number 16, more dialogues with young people to motivate them play sports. Nowadays, so many young people prefer to stay at home and play computer games or doing nothing. Why should they be motivated to practice some kind of sport? Because sport is important for their health, and young people should be better informed.
Which questions do you want to do? Because it's very general, like dialogue. What type of dialogue, which actions?
What kind of dialogue? Miro said, ask me what kind of dialogue. I mean, in actions. I mean, the teacher at school speak with the young people because they have all day with them, and that I don't know. I'm not sure.